Okay, let's start.
Okay. I hope you can see my screen. Yesterday after the meeting, we met for a short while with Karin. Try to debug mail servers. So we only did I think the SSL on the browser section only. That is the Apache path. But the logging in, we didn't fix that. We were not able to fix it. And also she was to attend to something else, I think, to the students. So after that, I just closed. This morning, I continued with debugging my own issues now with the SpamAssassin, which is not working yet. So frustrating. Still, the SpamAssassin is not filtering my emails yet. I've tried to reconfiguring and even using different AI now, because sometimes ChatGPT doesn't work. I've reconfigured my Postfix files, like the main.cf, to indicate the filter. And I've also reconfigured the master.cf to point the sockets, mention the sockets for the spam filter. But still, I haven't been able to get the SpamAssassin filter my emails. Because without the filtering, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing else I can continue working on, because the filtering is the first thing. The SpamAssassin needs to be aware of all the emails that are coming into the system before you write your rules. And that is not working yet. So I'm still stuck there, to be honest. Okay.
Great.
So in this main.cf, I just mentioned the filter here, content filter, which is a SpamAssassin. Then on the master.cf, I have to mention the sockets. So the content filter is here, then down here, this is where now the sockets are being configured. I've also just made sure that everything is working. I think it's a spamd, so sudo systemctl status with spamd. This one is also running, because this is the service that's responsible for SpamAssassin. So from the guide, I need to send a test email and just check the logs if SpamAssassin is able to capture my email. Let me just get that. Yeah, like I'm checking the specifically these logs here for SpamAssassin. And I think right now these are the errors that I'm getting, like there's no such file or directory. So I need to work on this. Probably I'll get the results if this is fixed. I'm not so sure. I'm hopeful that this will work if I'm able to fix this issue. Yeah, that's all I can say for now.
Did you watch the tutorial that I sent you yesterday?
Yes, I watched the video, but actually in the video there was no like a direct guidance like how to install it and configure in the Postfix. Yeah.
Yes, but have you located where SpamAssassin is store all the keyword? Can you go on server and show me if you have been able to locate that file? Because
Okay.
you need another external plugin when you are working with SpamAssassin.
Okay, before I do the file of, I mean the keyword and all that stuff, first I need to make sure that SpamAssassin is able to first, when the emails are coming in, SpamAssassin must access them first. Before it accesses it, then the keyword file will not be able to do anything. So I haven't bothered to look at the keyword file because I'm focusing on first making it, being able to watch my emails.
Okay.
Yes.
Because the video that I shared with you, the guy is installing some external plugin. You need some external plugin.
I don't know, maybe I just need first to make this to be able to access the emails. Once it's able to access the emails, then I can do those other stuff, because I don't want to overwhelm the configuration when the basics are not working yet. At least I should be able to narrow down to the basic errors. Then when I'll now bring in those other plugins and configuration, I'll be sure that the error is originating from those plugins exactly.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So your goal now is to try to make sure that your Postfix is communicating with SpamAssassin.
Yeah. That's my goal.
Okay, because right now there are two separate services.
Yes, there are two separate services. Yeah.
One service is his job is to send email or send an unassigned email, and you
Yes.
have SpamAssassin is to filter. So right
Yes.
now you want to make sure that when you hit email, when you send email by using the Postfix, anyway, by default, if you send email, the email will be handled by Postfix.
Yeah. But
Make sure that that email is being forwarded to SpamAssassin.
yes.
And SpamAssassin need to filter it, because SpamAssassin also work from incoming email and outgoing email. Are you sure that in SpamAssassin you have mentioned that you want to monitor incoming and outgoing? Because sometimes I think by default the SpamAssassin will monitor only the incoming email. In your case, you are sending email. It means that it's outgoing email.
Okay, I'm sending, but also I'm sending to the user within my system, like sending from the system, but sending to the user within my system, like I'm sending to the admin.
Okay.
Or I can use send to abuse and all that, yeah.
Okay, okay, you are using, you can say, the same system.
Yes, the same system, yeah.
Okay. So, okay. The goal now is to make those two services communicate each other. Maybe
Yes.
SpamAssassin need to communicate with Dovecot because Dovecot is the one who will make all the storage of when you receive the email.
No, it needs to communicate with the postfix, because postfix is the one that is first sending, and it's the one that it will receive before handing over to Dovecot for storage.
Okay.
So when the SpamAssassin gets those emails, the headers, it's going to add some headers there, and now when we do the file, the text file or the keyword file, the keyword file, that is when now it should be able to do the flagging.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you try to check alternative to SpamAssassin? Let's see what ChatGPT can show to us, because we don't know if in case SpamAssassin did not work. Maybe we need to figure out an alternative.
What is the alternative to SpamAssassin? Oh, okay.
Okay. Ask him to recommend the best one. Can you ask the same question? Yes.
Same question?
To Jimmy or yes, the same question to Jimmy or DeepSeek.
Okay, let me try DeepSeek first, then I go to Gemini. DeepSeek is actually very good, but the problem is slow.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think their server is located in China.
Okay.
And the communication, the forwarding of communication is taking a lot of time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and Gemini. Gemini. Okay. Try not to ask to Google, just tap in browser and let's see what people are saying on the internet.
Yep.
And you scroll down, try to check Reddit.
Reddit, okay.
What do you have from Reddit? Try to scroll down. Let's see.
I think everyone is recommending this. I've seen it appearing in the top.
Okay.
Top
Your
of,
screen is, can you make your screen a big?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay, try to scroll down. Okay, try to ask now to ChatGPT to choose one. To choose one that can replace SpamAssassin.
What is the best alternative? Alternative for SpamAssassin. Sorry.
Okay. Try to ask to Gemini and let's see what Gemini will say.
Gemini.
Okay, there's some more. Try to add to Gypsy. Okay. Okay. Your screen is small. I don't know.
Okay, sorry.
Maybe I am old.
It's at 150 now.
Oh, it's too big. Okay, good. Now, can you make ask to ChatGPT SpamAssassin versus this one? It's what R spam? Yes, you call that R spam.
Okay.
SpamAssassin versus R spam. When you increase the size of your screen, that will not increase for the old screen.
I think it increases per page.
Oh, okay. Now it's very clear. Okay. C++, excellent use mechanism, learning, neural network. Okay. Scroll down, try to scroll down. Oh, I think this can be powerful more than SpamAssassin. Try to scroll down. Try to scroll down again. R spam G. Scroll down. If what the stick with SpamAssassin, if you are maintaining a legacy system, already use it. You require file-based plugin compatibility. Don't want to learn new configuration. Try to scroll down. Oh, let's go with Canary for antivirus. Dovecot. With this, that configuration is more manual. Oh, try to scroll down. Yeah, maybe. Okay, maybe you can ask ChatGPT to the best one.
Okay, maybe I should tell the configurations of my servers.
No, can you scroll up? Because we just asked him SpamAssassin versus RSpamG.
Yeah.
I mean, if you scroll up again, when ChatGPT gave us the alternative to SpamAssassin.
Yeah.
Yes, maybe here you can ask give us the best choose the best one, choose the best tools for spam. Yes, maybe that.
Tuesday, right?
Yes, because here you are forced ChatGPT. No, go at the end. Ask ChatGPT to give you the best tool for spam. Because here you are forced ChatGPT to make choice between SpamAssassin and
Okay.
RSpam.
So
Now what?
okay.
Yes, just to
Tool for spam filtering.
yes for spam filtering. Maybe even SpamAssassin is not a good one. Even RSpamG, not a good one. Maybe there is another one. Oh, try to scroll down. Scroll down. Other strategy by use case for enterprise commercial. Okay. Minecraft. Can you scroll down? Okay, refactoring. Can you scroll down? Vedic. Okay. Give the same question to Jiminy. And let's see what Jiminy will say. Let's see what Jiminy will say. Business. Okay, you have spam system. Ultimate print and craft for individual small business. Can you scroll down? The best response alternative to SpamAssassin. Okay. Okay. Can you scroll down? De facto. Okay. That is the end.
Not yet. This is the end.
Okay. Can you go now ask to DeepSeek and let's see what DeepSeek will say. Maybe we start thinking about our spam deal.
Yeah. Maybe I should start because I've seen somewhere that the setup is maybe fairly straightforward or easier compared to Assassin.
Yeah, you still have this our spam deal. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to our spam deal on the website and see what we can get from there. Let's check their website. Okay. What do we have? Oh, this is not really open source.
Yeah, it seems like it's not open source. Okay,
Because
there's open source here.
Yeah. Can you click on open source and let's see what they have? Okay. Treehouse, Reddit, integration. Okay, what can we scroll up? I saw up powerful core.
Oh, up like that?
No, down, a bit down. Yes, what? No, up a bit. Okay, good. A powerful core feature, benefit from year of development with comprehensive spam filtering capability, including content analysis, LBLs, FPF, DKIM, DMAC, and much more. Okay. Okay, we will try to do this, and if it's not work, maybe we will try to use our SpamG.
Okay.
So we need to keep this in mind.
Okay.
So we keep that in mind. Okay. So just continue with SpamAssassin, and if you see that it's really hard, maybe go again on our SpamG, try to see the document, the download, how we will use it. Let's just try to see.
Documentation.
Or you need to open an account, connect an API. Let's say you want to use it, how we will do. We need to download or we need to create account, use the API. You have download.
Downloads.
On the left.
Okay.
Yes, click the download. Let's see what we have. Okay, you can dockerize. They already dockerize everything. Try to click on Debian Ubuntu. Okay, if you want to download, this is command that you will run to download it. Okay, you have this. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, good. Can we scroll up again? Click on build from source. Yes, this is what we have. Okay. So it means that we have the download here if you want to use it.
Okay.
Okay. So you will continue with the SpamAssassin, and if you see that thing is getting harder, sometimes hard, maybe you will think about switching here with RSpamG.
Okay.
Yes, but they have free version and pay version.
Yeah.
Be confident because open source is open source, or it's open source or it's not, and this seems to be open and pay. It means that all their good feature, maybe you need to pay for it. You see,
Yeah. Maybe.
for free one, for free version, what we will have is the same feature as SpamAssassin.
Mhm.
And to have all the benefit, you see all the benefit that ChatGPT mentioned, we need to pay. But our goal is to use open source. So I think maybe that is a small red flag from RSpamG. Okay. You can copy maybe this document and share that inside the Slack group. Just click yes, copy this thing, yes. RSpamG download. It is spam.
Just be sure.
So that we have the document. Okay, perfect. So that we have the documentation, and we can use it if we need to start our download. Okay, do you have another thing to share?
Not for now. So.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Let's continue with next person.
Okay, I will be the next. So yesterday after the meet, we had a meet with Godric to fix the issue. So the issue was that I can't connect to the Roundcube UI, but we just fixed the non-secured page as he mentioned earlier. And then after the meet, I had to continue on the training. So so that's why we stopped the call. And this morning, I first created the enterprise project for the intern, and then I continued on debugging, so to be able to connect here. And still, I couldn't figure it out, the issue. So when I did the search and asked to chat, and then so I changed some files in the config. So the config.inc, just a second, where is the config. Is it? Oh no, I can't connect to this again. Okay, so when I run the log, so the Roundcube and the Dovecot logs, and I pasted on chat. So it was saying that the Dovecot is running and the Roundcube can connect to the Dovecot. And also the Dovecot can connect to the SQL. So that was what I was trying yesterday. So this, I'm sorry, I have an issue again. I will switch the network.
Okay.
So when I run this on the terminal, I could connect. So Dovecot can connect to SQL, and here also Roundcube can connect to Dovecot, but still the authentication isn't right. So I created a new user to see if this can be the this can fix to see if it can, if it's the problem is with the user. So in the okay, and if we look in the table, so now I have like 2 users, and I tried with the new user, and still I can't connect. So I have the same issue. So we talked with Godric and thought that the best way maybe is to reconfig from scratch. So that is the next step, and I thought we will do this together to make sure everything is right. So that's all what I did.
Okay. Can you show us how you did the certificate?
So the certificate changed the we changed the link in config
etc sudo. Just do sudo nano. No, not cd. Oh, you can do it from there. Sudo nano. Then etc. Apache
2.
Apache 2 sites available.
Sites. No, not sites available.
You don't have photo compilation?
Is there, what was the name of the configuration? Was it Roundcube? Sites available, then / just type round and try to use tab and see if it's going to complete for us.
Roundcube.
.conf maybe?
Yes, .conf.
Yes. And server requested permanent vhost. Is this the one that we updated, or
This is the only one we touched.
it seems to be
I think we changed in this.
There's a section we changed the SSL from self-signing to SATbot. I think, okay, we just ran the command, the SATbot command to just use our domain, which was mail.technologyhub.work. So we ran that SATbot command, and SATbot is supposed to configure it automatically. If you are using maybe Nginx, you'll find that in the configuration file, but it seems Apache doesn't do it. But at least we were able to confirm that it's actually secured when we tested with the browser.
So to make this conf, you just need to run SaveBot. Can you run the history
okay,
command?
to activate the configure, I mean to activate the SSL for the domain, the subdomain, which is mail.technologyhub, the one she's using for the UI, we ran the SATbot command to do that.
The SaveBot command will update this file roundcube.conf.
Okay, I was comparing that with the Nginx. In the Nginx, it updates, but it seems in Apache it doesn't. Maybe it does the SSL configuration somewhere else. I don't know.
Can you run the command history?
Okay. What is history?
Yes.
This is what we did yesterday. From here. Yes, from here.
Okay. Even though you switch in that folder. It's Apache 2, and then you run the command SaveBot.
Yes, SATbot Apache D. Yeah, that mail, yes.
Yes.
Okay, can you make ls-lrt on the folder /x? No, don't clear. Just make ls.
Okay.
-l-art space etc. Use the auto completion.
The tab, yeah.
Okay.
Enter Apache. And tap enter. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that's what you have said yesterday. Okay. Use the previous. You see that scroll up. No, scroll down. On your keyboard to make come the previous command.
Okay.
Okay. No. Only the ls, yes. Type site. You have auto completion. Tap A.
Yes.
Tap enter. That's what we have there. Okay. Here. Okay. So what have been changed. Okay. Tap nano. Sudo nano. No. Call back again the previous command. Yes, you can go at the beginning, you remove the ls. Yes, remove all that. Also remove, yes, put the sudo nano. Now you can go at the end. No,
Oh. At the end,
put the name of file.
Roundcube.
Roundcube, yes. Hyphen. Yes, make auto completion. Tap enter. Okay. So normally this is the path of the SSL certificate. We have the private and the public. etc. Let's unscript. Guys, you can make quit. Just exit. Okay. Now you can make ls-hyphen lrt etc. Let's hyphen, yes, tap enter. So what we have then. Okay, we have 5, you have renewal. Make the previous command come again. The previous command is put live. Okay, tap enter. Okay, we have this. Okay, make the previous command come back again. Okay, slash. What we have? Yes, mail technology. Yes, mail. Make auto compilation. Yes, tap enter. Okay, we have this. Okay, that punching here in ICAP. Symbol link. Okay, make the previous command come again. Put the private key. Okay, go at the beginning of the command. You remove the ls. Yes, you remove that part. You put sudo nano, and let's see what we have there. Okay, tap enter. Okay, you have the private key. Okay, you can quit. Okay, make come back the previous command. Okay, you can remove the end, the private key, and you put the full chain. Okay, tap enter. Okay, you have here beginner certificate. Okay, you can quit now. Okay, so what we did yesterday was to go to the repository of Apache, right?
Yes, yes.
And
We just ran the command and
yes,
mentioning the domain, yeah.
yes, but to run the command, if you are not inside the right folder, that will not work. It's not just that you connect to the server and go inside any folder or any directory and run it. You need to
Actually, we need to mention our web server. Like if you're using Apache, then the command would be satbot --Apache.
Yes, but you need to show the location. You need to be in the good location where you have no Apache installed there.
Yeah, we were there actually.
That is why you made CG to be in the correct location. Okay, I will also mention your domain.
Yes, you mentioned the domain.
Okay, hope you will finish this soon and you will put everything in Ansible Because when you are manipulating in command line down like this, it's very easy to forget all your commands. Even if someone asks you, what do you do? Maybe sometimes you will not remember it down very easily. But when we have everything stored in Ansible, it is very easy for us to remember what we have done.
Yes.
Because with Ansible, what we only need is to go and check the playbook and start looking for command. We will say, okay, this command we do this command we do this, and so on. But when we just type like this, we need to take time to run these 3 commands, to make that in some file to see. Okay, do you have anything to add, Marin?
No, it's all for now.
Okay, let's continue with. So your next step is to continue to troubleshoot this, or maybe start the installation from scratch with Godric,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue with Emmanuel.
Yeah. So I just started something small, just a small. So I was after connecting it to my port from the local to the remote, it's able to connect. I'm able to do a distance on it. I'm coming. Just a moment. True. Okay, so the this so I'm able to do a Telnet inside. Yes, so I have started working on it to be able to do terminal to this thing, then be able to continue from it. So I've just started, just about 50 minutes now.
Yes, but what did you do on Tuesday? Because you work Tuesday after the call.
Yes, so Tuesday I was trying to troubleshoot it, how to be able to turn it from my local machine to the this thing. So that was what I did. The
Yes,
whole
but
of
you can show us the troubleshooting step that you have done. Maybe that can help someone if the port 25 is not working, and maybe they want to take example of what you have done. You can just tell us this is this was the problem, and this is how I fix it. Your problem was that you was not able to send email from your local computer to a remote server. And how did you manage to open the port 25 on your local computer?
Yeah, it was a I have to look for it. It was commands, a lot of commands that I did.
Exactly, that is what we want to see, because that will help us.
It's not okay. So I did a lot of stuff. So can I share the link?
No, explain to us. We don't have time to read.
Okay, so I asked ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT that why is it my local port is opening, but when I try to Telnet a remote one, and ChatGPT was the answer was either my ISP or other stuff. So I have to run a command a lot. So I don't know the specific one that did the magic. So it's a lot.
Let's try to find it together, because during this presentation you have done a lot of work behind the scene, but
yeah,
the presentation you are just showing like something for 2 minutes. It seems like you are just want to do a few job, But in reality, I saw that you have spent more than 10 hours
Yes.
on this thing. So it means that during this meeting, your presentation should take at least even 30 minutes, because why this is very important, because in the future, when we will have this, we will just say, oh, Emmanuel have the same issue in the past, and this is how he tried to solve it. Because many developers, many people, when they just sending email, they have a small down blockage. They will say, oh, the ISP is blocking me. I cannot send from port 25. You see? But most of the time that can be true, but also most of the time it's about the configuration. In your case, the problem was about the configuration. So try to explain to us, even if you have run a lot of command, you have spent 10 hours on that.
Okay. So let me so first I have to check whether it's the ISP or my local firewall. And I was able to see that I have opened the port for incoming and outgoing. So,
Okay. And
so,
how did you check and make sure that it's not your ISP that's blocking you?
yes. So after checking my firewall,
Yes, but you check that. How did you check it? Because at the beginning you are confused. You don't know if it is your firewall or if it is your ISP. How did you do
yes.
to be sure that your ISP is not blocking you?
Yes. So I called I called one of my ISP guys and he told me, oh no, the port 25 they do block, but it is not always. So I should try. So I tried and I
So
came it through.
what? So they say that they block or they do not block. Or
They
they do
say
not.
they sometimes block it if it is sending, if they suspect it is sending suspicious emails from your, or a volume of emails from your end. They normally block it.
Okay. So by
Yes.
default, they don't block it. They block it only when they suspect something.
Fishy from your IP, or they are receiving an information from people that this particular IP is sending a lot of unwanted emails. That is when you block.
Okay, perfect. So that is the first step. So the first step is to call the ISP and maybe be sure that they are not blocking you.
Yeah.
Okay. And when he have confirmed that they are not blocking you, what was your next step now?
So I have to check my firewall, the local one.
Okay. And how did you check it?
Okay. So I have to run some commands. These are some of it. Some
Okay.
of one. I have to run it. I have to check it. This is the local one, and I have to check if I've installed a postfix on it. So I
Okay.
have to check everything and see whether the port 25 is being used or is idle.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. And what is the third step after we showing that the port 25, the firewall is opening? What you check if the firewall or the port 25 is opening, because
I
firewall.
check whether the firewall is blocking port 25.
Okay. You check if the firewall is blocking the port 25.
25. Yes.
Okay.
Then I
And
now
where
open.
where is the command that show that the firewall is not blocking the port 25?
Okay. So this is, I use this command, the sudo IP
Wait.
tables.
One question. Can you scroll up down a bit? Can you scroll a bit? Okay. Here you are checking if the port 25 is open or if the firewall is open. It's not blocking port 25.
Yes.
No, what are you doing here? You are checking if the port is opening or if the firewall is not blocking on the port.
Yes. So here I have to check if the port 21st, I have to check if it is, I have opened it. Then second, I have to check if the firewall is rather blocking it.
Okay, let's go step by step. How did you check if the port 25 is opening?
Okay, so you come here. You use this command.
Okay, perfect. And now, how did you check that the firewall is not blocking the port 25?
So I have to use, first I have to check all the ports that have been opened, the outgoing, the incoming, or then I have to come and do a check down here. It's down. It's down. Check. So I have to use this command to check and be sure. But there is a firewall command that I use. So that one is
It's
not.
U something, UW. I
Yes,
think you've
yes.
pasted even the results up there.
Yes, so I've pasted it up.
Yes, but it is very up. It is very up.
Yeah, there. Down that prompt.
Yes, here. So
Yes,
I use this one.
but if you scroll up again. Yes.
This one was to open it.
Oh,
But
this is open.
Yeah, that's to
Yes.
open for 25.
Okay,
To allow.
okay, perfect. So you first check if the port 25 is open and it was not open, and then you open it.
Yes.
Okay, can we scroll up a bit? Okay. So that first command is to check if it's open.
Yes.
And when you realize that it was not open, then you open it, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Can we scroll down now? Just to be clear. So here you open the port. Can we scroll down? And once you open it, can you scroll down? So you use now this command sudo ufa statute on verbose to check if it's open.
Yeah.
Yes, to check if firewall is not blocking it.
Yeah.
Okay, because you can open and then firewall can still continue to block it.
Yeah.
Or I am wrong, or it's
Yes,
Yeah.
you can open, but firewall can still block it if it is
Okay.
enabled. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And once you have opened it and you have make sure that firewall is not blocking, what was your next step now?
So I check and the local firewall is correctly running and for 25 was open both for IPv4 and v6. So I also checked for the outgoing connection as well, and it was okay. So then I have to do a telnet from my local to the remote.
From your local to the remote server?
Yes, to be
Oh.
able to see that the terminal from my local terminal to the remote, this and I can communicate
Okay.
with it.
And okay. And what was your next step?
So when I did it, the options were two. This is the expected results. If not, then it means the ISP or the network is blocking the outbound port. So when I did it, it was okay.
Okay. It seemed very simple, but it took you a lot of time.
Yes.
It means that at the beginning, when you were making the telnet, you did not troubleshoot like this. You was just thinking in your mind that the ISP block you.
No. I did it for the previous server some time ago, but I was also doing something else. So maybe I forgot the steps. So this one I have to go step by step.
Okay, good. Okay, because this problem of port can be sometimes challenging because I have received a warning from OVH technical for OVH security team. They said that someone is running the DDoS attack from your server.
When?
Yes, since Tuesday, I have received.
It was Tuesday that I did. Yes, it was
Yes,
Tuesday.
even yesterday they forced me to reply, but I didn't like to reply because I was thinking that
So that was what ChatGPT was saying, that if the remote server realized that it is not authorized by the person who owns the server, it means they can block it.
I did not understood very well. You see what?
What ChatGPT is saying, like you are receiving an email. So if it is not you that is working on it, then the OVH guys can block the port 25 so that I may not get access to it.
Okay. Because you were acting from Ghana, and normally the owner of server is in France. Okay. I see.
Yes.
So because I received the warning, but I did not like to reply to them.
Yes. So the IP that I use is dynamic IP, so it keeps on changing every day. So when they see it like that, they will see it as a threat. So that's why they send you an email.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay, let me share the screen and show you the email that I have received from OVH.
Okay.
Okay, I have tried to, you see, I received this yesterday, 6 August. And this is your VPS, Emmanuel. VPS.
Let me check.
They forced me to reply because most of the time when I receive email like this, I don't reply. I just read and then I just don't delete. Even if it is email for government, even if it is phone call, I don't reply.
Okay, so this is yes, it's true. This is my IP. Yes.
They force me. They say that they will suspend my account. And then I think I work with ChatGPT to reply to them. I reply to them because I make some troubleshooting, and they were noting on the server. They were noting on the server because they were saying that host of attack.
Yes.
And this is your server.
Yes.
Yes. And this is your domain name. They were saying that from this host, you are making attack on this network, on the network here. Say that. But I checked inside the log, they were noting there. And they were using the say that this user, you see, this is your IP address.
Yes.
So I get this. And the user, I start seeing this kind of user. And then I try to make an investigation. I just take the all command that have been passed from the server to this to the IP address.
Yes.
And they were noting there.
So yes, so that was what ChatGPT was trying to say. If you told them that, oh, this is not from you, they'll block it. So I cannot get access.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Do you have anything to share? Anything to add?
Oh, I've now started doing something small. So hopefully I can share something meaningful tomorrow.
Okay. But what is your next step now?
So my next step is to fix Terminal to and the local to remote. Then after that I send it to the email service providers like Gmail and the rest. If it is okay, then I start with the run queue.
Okay. You start with FBL because Roundcube is just a part of FBL.
Okay.
Because our goal to install Roundcube is only to be able to make tests with FBL.
Oh, okay.
Once that you have automation, FBL automation by using SpamAssassin or RSpamG, and after that you also have the Ansible automation. Okay. Emmanuel, Karine, Godric, do you have any question?
No, not from me.
Karine,
Not from me too.
are you, Emmanuel, anything to add?
Not from me now.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.